Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Palisade. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.